What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change League of Legends font to Korean. So, in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly do this. Well, this one is pretty simple. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up the Riot client and you want to go ahead and just log into your account. Now, once in here, we need to change a few things. So if you want to change the language or the font on your League of Legends here, you need to access the Riot client for this one. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to the top right of your screen, or in this case, your profile or icon, profile icon here. Go ahead and click on it, and you want to go ahead and click on the settings option. Now in here at the left side, you have Riot client, but you also have League of Legends. Go ahead and click on League of Legends. Now, in League of Legends, you want to go to Game Text Language, click on it, and from here, you want to look for Korean. So in this case, this is Korean, so go ahead and click on it, and from here, you could go ahead and just close this one and start playing League of Legends here. So you just need to launch it, and it should now have the desired Game Text Language. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.